22 sections in one slide. That is definitely going to be very difficult, but here I am trying to bring the structure of criminal trespass in one single slide. Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and we were discussing chapter 17 of Indian Penal Code, which is all about offences against property, and in this series this is my 11th session. In my last session I have already explained the meaning as far as criminal trespass is concerned and all the other important aspects which are covered under criminal trespass, and here in this presentation I am going to give the structure of all 22 sections in just one slide. In my next video I am going to discuss about all the punishment along with CRPC provisions. So you need to watch the previous video and later video both to understand the entire concept, and with that request I am taking you to the only slide I have on the structure of criminal trespass. As I have already told, there are as many as 22 sections when it comes to criminal trespass. The first 6 sections among them are covering or defining the different terms. I have already made an independent video on all these terms starting from section 441, which is defining criminal trespass. 442 defines what is house trespass. 443 defines what is lurking house trespass. 444 defines what is lurking house trespass by night. Section 445 defines what is house breaking, and 446 defines what is house breaking by night. I have an independent video along with case laws and I hope you have already watched it. When it comes to the punishment provisions, section 447 is the first punishment provision which discusses about punishment for criminal trespass. Then 448 discusses about punishment for house trespass, and when house pass is committed for which offences the punishment is death, in that case it is dealt under section 449. If the punishment for such offence is punishable with life imprisonment, then the same is covered under section 450, and if it is imprisonment then the same is covered under section 451. These are the 3 sections which are discussing about the punishment for all the offences which are punishable with whatever I have already told. Now section 452 discusses about punishment for all those offences with preparation to hurt, assault or wrongful restraint. When it comes to lurking house trespass, the punishments are discussed under section 453, 454, 455 and 459. And you have to see the repetition here in housebreaking also, where the punishments are discussed under 453, 454, 455 and 459. That way they both are talking about the punishment in the similar sections. That is one observation you have to make. Likewise, when it comes to lurking house trespass by night and housebreaking by night, there also the punishment provisions are remaining same. That is section 456, 457, 458 and 460. Now what are the punishment that I am going to discuss in detail in my next presentation along with CRPC options. And remember, there are 2 more sections, that is 461 which discusses about dishonestly breaking open a property, and then 462 discusses about punishment for the same. So basically you got 2 presentations now, one defining all the terms, second one this particular structure. So when I make the third video with all the punishment provisions, I hope it becomes easy for you to grasp. With that I am concluding this particular presentation. See you with my next presentation. Till then, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you are referring my channel, and thanks again.